Hi everybody, today I will cook and join me to see what I will cook today. Unfortunately my dishwasher didn't finish, so I think I will use this form for my salad today. And my tea. Alright, also I will need a desk for cooking. And I will need my products. Avocado, rocket, cucumber, and mozzarella. It's my favorite salad, and I do it with olive oil. Okay. So we will start with preparing my rice, and I will turn on, and we will wait till I will be able to prepare my rice. Okay, we will start with my salad, and for that I will need a knife. Okay, we will start with avocado. And I need a spoon for that because I always like to put it from there with a spoon. Okay, oh, it has a very small fillet. Okay, I will put it like that. I don't know when and where I found this recipe, how to use a spoon with avocado, but it's very useful. And the second thing, I am in love with avocado for a lot of time. Use a fork to make it very smooth. Just like that. I'm not a professional cooker, guys. I'm just doing it because I love the salad and I love rice with this salad. So that's it. Okay, we are ready to do the last step. Okay. Next will be cucumber. And I realized that my thing for cleaning it isn't dishwasher. I'm. It's not useful, but okay. We can cut it. Remember candle general. Alright, now I have my broccoli and my rice inside my pan, and we will continue preparing the salad. So I will use my mozzarella like that on the 4 pieces. Alright, we all are almost ready. Okay, I will cut it too. A bit. I actually always do that without cutting, but I realized that it's better when it's cut. Okay, doing like that. You know that green vegetables are good for our stress relief and for our mental health. That's why I eat only green stuff every day. Okay. Oh, good. Good thing. Okay. And don't forget about salt. Right here. Okay, we're done. And it's very healthy and nice salad is ready. Okay. All right. It's ready. And I will wait for my rice to be ready, and I'm ready to eat. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.